Hey mate, how's it going? In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an iPhone calculator with very similar user interface using ChatGPT. Let us start by asking ChatGPT to give the basic calculator code using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. While it is generating the code, let me tell you, to make the most of ChatGPT's capabilities, it's crucial to provide it with relevant prompts. By doing so, we can enhance its training and receive more accurate and helpful results or solutions, ultimately maximizing its potential. It gives the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code separately. For this demo purpose, I'm going to put this in a single file. Now, it is time to give relevant prompts to make ChatGPT understand what kind of UI we want. Here, I have asked for CSS similar to iPhone calculator app by explaining it. Once I copied the code into my local HTML file, it is ready to run. I just open it in the browser. Hola! We see something very familiar to iPhone calculator app, and it is fully functional as we see. Please note that you might need to change prompts and explain further if you require different output, which may take few attempts. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thumbs if you liked it, subs if you are looking for more.